Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we will prepare a very simple and effective dish, typical of Italian mountain tradition, sausage and polenta. This dish is very simple and will take up very little space in your backpack. First, let's get a nice fire going so we can grill the sausage over the flame, as they are much tastier this way. While we wait for the fire to heat up, let's boil water for the polenta. Once the fire is ready, open up the sausages and place them on the hot grill. While the fire is going, I also toasted some bread. Once the water is boiling, add salt and pour the polenta mixture into the water. Turn off the heat and continue stirring until it thickens. When I travel, I always bring a bag of instant polenta. It's ready in 1 minute, doesn't waste any water you have used, and takes up very little space in your backpack. Put everything on the plate and buon appetito!